Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make money with TikTok ads. Alright, let's begin. To make money with TikTok ads in 2024, start by understanding the platform's diverse ad formats. In-feed ads blend into users' feeds, while top-view ads capture attention immediately. Consider using Spark ads to sponsor popular organic content, enhancing credibility. Next, focus on audience targeting. Use TikTok's robust tools to define your audience based on demographics and interests. The lookalike audiences feature helps you reach users similar to your existing customers, while geo-targeted ads can tailor messaging based on location. Creative content is crucial. Aim for engaging videos between 21 to 34 seconds. Incorporate TikTok trends and refresh your assets regularly to combat ad fatigue. Budgeting is key. Start modestly and allow TikTok's algorithm to optimize your campaigns before increasing your spend. Engage users through interactive ads or user-generated content campaigns, and consider influencer collaborations to amplify your reach. Finally, monitor performance metrics like click-through rates and conversion rates. Use these insights for continuous refinement of your strategies. By leveraging these tactics, ad formats, targeting, creative content, budgeting, and performance analysis, you can unlock the potential of TikTok ads and drive revenue growth for your business in 2024. So that's basically how you can make money with TikTok ads. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.